My name is Meghan Flynn. I am an operations manager in Waltham Modern Dentistry. So when the externs first arrive to our office, they go through our 12-week development program. We do everything from in-office patient care to continuing their education with technology. So the overall experience with the graduates has been fantastic. They're coming right out of school, but their development and education has been so strong that it's an easy transition. They're so eager to learn, and they bring excitement, and part of the perks of they're getting the actual patient interaction now, so their excitement from school has then transitioned into the offices, which is fantastic. As dentistry grows and mouth-body connection becomes very apparent, partnering with a school like Porter and Chester, they're creating the dental assistants that are going to come into our field. Dental is a growing field, and we need to be able to have people that can grow with us.